Good morning. Welcome to the bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a bank account.
Of course. I can help you with that. Is this your first account?
Yes, it is my first account.
No problem. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks good. What type of account would you like? A savings account or a checking account?
I think I want a savings account.
That's a good choice. A savings account helps you save money and earn a little interest.
That sounds good.
Please fill out this form with your personal information.
All right, I will fill it out now.
Take your time. Let me know if you need help.
Thank you. Done.
Great. Would you like to get a debit card for your account?
Yes, I would like a debit card.
Perfect. You will receive your debit card in about 5 days.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like to activate mobile banking as well?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
Good choice. You can check your balance and send money from your phone.
That's very convenient.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, I would like to deposit some money.
Sure. How much would you like to deposit?
I would like to deposit $200.
All right. Please put the money here.
Here you go.
Thank you. I am processing your deposit now. Done.
Great.
Here is your receipt. Please keep it for your records.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your account is now active.
That's great news.
Thank you for choosing our bank. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
Bank vocabulary. 1. Bank account. Meaning: an account where you keep your money in a bank. Examples: I opened a bank account yesterday. She checks her bank account every week. 2. Savings account. Meaning: an account to save money, you can earn interest. Examples: I put my money in a savings account. He saves money every month in his savings account. 3. Checking account. Meaning: an account for daily use, pay, withdraw, transfer money. Examples: I use my checking account to pay bills. She receives her salary in her checking account. 4. ID. Identification. Meaning: a document that shows who you are. Examples: you need an ID to open an account. He forgot his ID at home. 5. Fill out a form. Meaning: to write your information on a document. Examples: please fill out this form carefully. She filled out the form in 5 minutes. 6. Debit card. Meaning: a card to pay or withdraw money from your bank account. Examples: I pay with my debit card at the store. He uses his debit card to withdraw cash. 7. Deposit. Meaning: to put money into your bank account. Examples: I deposit money every week. She deposited $100 yesterday. 8. Receipt. Meaning: a paper that shows proof of a transaction. Examples: keep your receipt after payment. He lost his receipt from the bank. 9. Mobile banking. Meaning: using your phone to manage your bank account. Examples: I use mobile banking to check my balance. She sends money using mobile banking. 10. Balance. Meaning: the amount of money in your account. Examples: my balance is very low today. He checks his balance every morning.